guys, today we will see what is string in Python. So in Python, a string is a data type that's typically used to represent text. A string could be any series of characters including letters, numbers, spaces. In most languages, a string must be enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes when assigning it to variable. So if we have any variable mm, a is equal to hello, b is equal to hello world, C is equal to how are you. So next we can also take any string that includes numbers such as I am 25 years old. So all these are type of string. So we have anything inside that double quotes, or you can also take in single quotes. So anything that is typed inside that double quote is taken as string in Python. Next thing we have, you can use the len function to return a string length. To do things, simply pass the string as an argument to len function. In let's say we have to check the length of that variable d, string d. So you can see it's giving us 18, indicating that it consists of 18 characters. Next thing we have to learn is that if you need to store numbers that may have calculation performed on them, don't make them string. There's difference between following two declaration. Let's say a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 inside the double quotes. So in first line the value 1 is a number, and in second line it's a string. Including number is string simply makes them part of that string. So you can't do things like add two numbers together if they are actually a string. Arithmetic operator have different purpose when used on string. For example, uh, if we adds adds two number 1 plus 2, so it will simply give us 3 by adding that two numbers. But if we try to add two string, now in place of adding that numbers, it simply joins the first string with that second string and print that out. So numbers without double quotes and numbers with double quotes are totally different. So if we have to perform any arithmetic operators on numbers, you can be careful that you cannot use double quotes for that numbers. So next thing, Python includes functions that allow you to detect whether a string consists of numbers. More specifically, we includes is numeric, is digit, and is decimal function. These allow you to be specific about the type of numbers the string contains. These functions return true if all characters in string match. Otherwise, they return false. We can see the example how to use is numeric function. Let's say we have any string a is equal to hello 123 and b is equal to 123. So if we use print a dot is numeric, so you can see it's giving us false, indicating that any of that string is not character. So we can see it's contains some part that are not numbers, so it's giving us false. But if we implement b dot is numeric implies is numeric function on b, it's give us true, indicating that all that letters are numbers in that string. So that's how we can check whether a string contains all numbers or any character that is not a digit or a number. Next thing we will see that if we have any string such as a is equal to he asked, uh, how are you? So when we run it, you can see it's giving us invalid syntax error, indicating that you cannot use double quotes inside double quotes. So it get confused whether string ended here or it's ended here. So to fix that, you can use backslash along with that double quote, which is actual part of string. So by using backslash we can fix that. So now uh, if we print a, it's giving us he asked how are you. Now these double quotes are actual part of that string. These double quotes are just to just to show that we have declared any string. So these double quote just sounds to show that we have any string, but these double quote with black slash are actual part of our string. Next we will see, just as we use the backslash to escape the double quotes, we can use an escape sequence to force a string to span multiple lines. We have, if we have any string uh, 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 a is equal to not smoking is not allowed. Now if we print value of a is simply print not smoking is not allowed. But if we want to to first print not, then smoking is not allowed on next line, so we can use slash n escape sequence. So by using backslash n we can see it's printing not, and if we delete that, remove that space, now check, you can see it's giving us not, then slash a backslash n, it's come to next line and print smoking is not allowed. So by using backslash n we can uh, span our string to multiple lines. You can also use triple quotes to include strings that span multiple lines. This is especially handy if you have many lines, as it saves you from having to put backslash on the end of every line. So you can also use same thing as if we sound that double quote with triple quotes, and now remove that slash n and simply now we can see it's giving same output. Now it will print uh, our string as it is if we use if we surround our string with triple quotes. So it's print our string as it is as we have written here. So if we give double, if we put extra line, so it will also print that in output too. So triple quotes are handy if you have many lines, as it saves you from having to put a backslash on end of every line. Next thing we will see how to assess part of string. You can assess a single character from your string like this. We have any string a is equal to Shad dev studio. Now we can assess any character from that string. If we print a and inside that square bracket we pass index of character we want to display. So if we pass 2, so we can see it will give us a, that a is the second index of our string. So 0 1 2. So now if we pass 7, it will give us v, that v is the seventh character of our string. But if we pass any index that's out of range to string, let's say 50, now it is saying string index out of range, so we have to take care that uh, the index we have passed should be in limit to that of a string. Next thing we will learn string formatting operator. The modulus symbol has special meaning in Python string. It can be used as a placeholder for an other value to be inserted inside the string. The modulus symbol is a prefix to another character which define the type of value to be inserted. So if we are printing any message such as print hello any name, so we will use modulus symbol and s indicating that this will be replaced by any string. you your age is modulus I. So I stand for integer. So what that mean, the modulus s mean that this will replaced by any string, and modulus I mean that this will be replaced by any number. So um, after that modulus we will pass two values. First one will be string value which will replace that string, and second one which will replace that number. So first we can say John, and second we can say 25. So printing, you can see it's giving us hello John, your age is 25. It's just replace that first argument we have passed with that modulus s, and second argument 25 with that modulus I, and print that message out. Today, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.